Welcome to the Founderhood's dashboard, where we are going to examine all the possibilities you have to run and manage a successful alumni program of your startup programs. As you can see here, we are on an organizer's homepage, where you can see all your programs and your alumni programs. Here we have our alumni program, and we are going to click View. First things first, we have to invite our alumni startups. We can either copy this link here and share it with our alumni startups, or invite startups directly from programs that we have already created inside Founderhood. If we click on the Setup button on our navigation bar, we can select here which features we want our program to have or not have. We can select the ones that we want and deselect the ones that we don't want. If we click on the Custom Theme tab, you can add your program's logo and your branding colors. For example, let's see how this program's dashboard looks like with those colors and this logo. If we click on the preview program, we will see how our startups will see our program from the inside. As you can see, the branding colors and the logo has been adjusted to the program. If we click on the Startups button on our navigation bar, we can first see all the startups in our alumni program. Now, if we want to divide those startups in specific groups, we can click on the Groups button on our navigation bar. From this page, you can create as many groups as you want and name them however you want. As you can see here, we have created two groups, Group A and Group B, and above you can see all the unassigned startups that are not in a specific group. Next, if we want to create an announcement inside our alumni program, we click the Announcement button in our navigation bar, and as you can see here, you can insert an announcement that your founders will see when they enter the program just by filling this text input right here, and you can also choose if you want to notify your participants when you create the announcement or not. In case you want to contact your founders through email, click on the Email button on your navigation bar, and as you can see here, you can create and send emails directly through Founderhood. Select where do you want your email to go. For example, you can choose your alumni groups. You can choose a template, like this template right here, where you remind your startups to send their yearly updates. To make your emails more personalized, you can copy and paste the tags below, and then all you have to do is click Send. To create a template, just go to the Templates tab, put the name of your template, the subject and the body, and save it. To make your alumni program even more engaging, you can host live sessions and meetings directly through Founderhood. Click on the Live button on your navigation bar, go to Settings, and select your stream provider. You can select either YouTube, Vimeo, or a built-in stream provider from Founderhood. If you select Founderhood Interactive, all you have to do is copy this link and send it with people to join. If you go on the Previous Lives tab, you can keep here all your previous lives through their links. If you go on the Current Live tab, you can start your meeting by clicking on Start a Session. To support your founders' growth even more, click on the Library button on your navigation bar, and as you can see here, you can create an educational library with materials like articles, videos, and more to support your founders' growth. You can see here a bunch of materials about startups and entrepreneurship. To support even more your founders, click on the Perks button on your navigation bar, and from here you can create perks like discounts and offers from your external partners. Keep in mind that your alumni startups can also create their own perks to share with the community. If you click on the View All tab, you can see all the listed perks inside the program right now, and as you can see, they are created from the alumni startups themselves. To create more engagement inside your program, click on the Forum button on your navigation bar, and from here you can create your own internal forum. Click on the Channels tab, and you can see all the different channels inside your forum, and you can also create as many new ones as you want. Go back to the Forum tab, and to create a new post, all you have to do is click this button, select the channel, write your question and your content, and post it. To track the progress of your alumni startups, click on the Progress button on your navigation bar. You can find here data and charts that showcase the progress of your startups. On the Updates Form tab, you can create here an update form that your startups can fill every month or year to help you track their progress. You can create different types of form inputs like numbers, paragraphs, and more. If you go on the Settings tab, You can define the date that you want your reporting period to start, and you can define the frequency of those updates, whether it's yearly or monthly. In order to evaluate properly your alumni program, go to the Reports button on your navigation bar, and from here you can download detailed reports about your startups, your users, and an overall progress report of your program. Click Download and it will be downloaded into your computer.